We really did it. We did it. We did it. Ski! Welcome back to the channel, Sonny Squad. And if you're new, welcome to the channel. How y'all doing? I'm Sonny and this is Sonny Kicks. And thank you. I appreciate and love every single one of y'all. We hit it. We got it. We got that 1K. We hit that checkpoint. And man, honest, this just feels good. Like, I don't know what else to say other than let's keep grinding. The grind is not stopping. Ambition with a clear vision. We only going harder from here on out. Thank y'all. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all from the bottom of my heart. And we are now on the road to 2K subs. So check this. If you're looking for dope sneaker reviews, one of the best on-feet shots, how to finesse the kicks, whether it be how to style,
the best things since sliced bread, chewing,
or how to lace them up, or any other different kind of sneaker related content, and you, my friend, are in the right place. Subscribe and join the squad.
batter up, lyrics hitting home runs. I don't do this for fun, nigga. I'm Aaron Judge with it, tough with it, burning through paper as if a slug hit it. See you paid, now it's time to pay attention.
And without any hesitation, you already know what y'all here for. Today I got a special unboxing, and this time we finally got it from GOAT app. Now lately I have been getting I think the past 3 unboxings have been from SneakerCon app. That's just cause they had the most steals lately. Like anything I was looking for, they had it for the better price, and the version of the shoe that they had, it looked better. When it comes down to the pricing, SneakerCon app had won that. But this time, GOAT app just obliterated that. And yeah, let's get into it. Now with this shoe, of course, I've been looking for OG Jordan colorways or just any older Jordans. And yeah, this is obviously before the last dance. I've been doing that because I had got the Hair 7s. Where they at? Yeah, the Hair 7s, Bordeaux 7s. I also grabbed recently y'all just seen I had got the Maroon 6s. That's because I've just been looking for older shoes now. All the stuff that's been coming out lately hasn't been exciting me at all. Like, it just, man, I'm not the one to fall into the hype. There's a lot of hype around these new releases, and I really don't care about them. So of course what I've been doing is going back to find OG colorways or just older versions of shoes that I missed out on or had absolutely no idea about when I was younger. And this one, I'm gonna just state this: I love Jordan 8s. It's not my top 5, but it is number 6, so it does make that honorable mention. And they don't make too many colorways of Jordan 8s. Now, I'm only saying this because when y'all see the front of the box, y'all know exactly. All my OGs probably know, but everybody else, y'all probably not gonna know. But go ahead and show y'all this because I've been dying to get these. Y'all see that box? Y'all see it? Whew. All right. Actually, it take up the whole thing, so let me just put this on the ground. And now this is just one half of the countdown pack. So coming at you from 2008, you got the top part to it right here. Ah, man. Bro, we got the 2008 countdown pack Bugs Bunny 8s. Whew. These are so fire in hand. I'm finally glad I got the chance to get these. And now the best part about getting this is that when I mean by they obliterated SneakerCon app is because, well, in terms of pricing, that's because I got these for $100. That's what after tax and everything. These came out to $100. So the original price is going for was like $90. This is my first time ever receiving something that was part of like a pack. So yeah, I like the tissue paper on here. It's fire. They got the different Jordan silhouettes on here throughout the paper. And now the shoe that originally came in this pack, it was these and the Jordan 15s, which is of course the countdown pack 15s. And trying to find those are way more difficult than you expected, to be honest. Well, for my size. And of course these were at $90 because, for one, it's half of a pack, and also there is some paint chipping going on. Y'all can see that. This part is a little aged, but that honestly really doesn't matter. It's from 2008, so of course it's gonna be a little aged. yeah, you got the paint chipping. That's like the primary thing. But so I'm just look around and see if anybody can repaint these. Probably get a little bit of the creasing out, because when I seen the pictures, I looked at them and I'm like, yo, somebody could really just like take their time on these for a little bit, like restore them, and they'll be golden. So that was way better than trying to pay like $300 to $400 for a better looking pair, because come on now, $90, and then all I gotta do is get them restored a little bit. Just can't go wrong with that. You can't go wrong with that. But yeah, now I have an official OG colorway in my Jordan 8s. Now, my sneaker collection video, I did show you that I have the Aqua 8s, but that's the pair from 2015. It has the gray on the back rather than the all black like the OGs. What's funny about that is in that Nike outlet vlog, the shoe that I was talking about from 2007, that was the Aqua 8s. I found the Aqua 8s for $140. Patience is a funny thing, because someone told me to just wait before buying that, and I did wait. Then I went back and seen that they weren't there. It's a good thing I waited, because it actually was still there. The person just uploaded new pictures of the shoe, because I guess like they didn't look like that anymore. And yeah, there was a big difference. It turns out that they were B grades. They had way more cracking and like chipping in the sole than they did when I first seen them. And so like, it was a good thing I waited, because then I was like, all right, yeah, now I'm not gonna get those. And the other pairs were just going for like 300 and whatnot, so I wasn't gonna get that. And I went ahead and looked for the Bugs Bunny 8s, and long behold, I find this, and it was the only one left on GOAT app. So now for size 12 Bugs Bunny 8s, it's not there. Well, I shouldn't say not there, but for the 2008 countdown pack, it's not on GOAT anymore. I got them, and I got them for $100. But yeah, of course, with GOAT app, it comes with the sticker and the whole verifying process thing that they give you, the whole little punch hole, check hole, whatever they call it. But yeah, just to let you know that it's verified. And the crazy thing about this, today that I'm currently recording this, is Thursday, like what, August 20th or something, and I had purchased these on Monday, so they literally came within a few days. Of course, now with shipping, it's not gonna always be like that, but yeah. I just can't wait till I get these restored. Fall is around the corner. I'm breaking these out. And what I like is that the previous owner kept these in solid condition, minus the paint chipping, of course. But yeah, the sole is like, there's no separation, and I'm like squeezing this hard, because literally I'm trying to make sure there's like no separation in here. Yeah, these are solid. These are solid. Oh, I didn't even see that. I didn't even know that was in there. I don't think I would see that. Yeah, that little tag that's on the inside, it's fire. Thank you everybody for tuning into the video. If you enjoyed, please smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, or if you haven't yet. What are you waiting for? The grind is not stopping. Once again, and I want to thank everybody that's been supporting the channel for us hitting 1,000 subs. 2,000 is on the way. Comment down below what you think of the new pickup, and yeah, hope you guys all have a great day. Stay safe, and see you next time.